Do this, guys. Hello.
Hi, Tyler. How are you?
Doing amazing. How are you?
I'm good. I just left my doctor's office, and I've been following your plan for 2 months now, and I'm down 24 pounds.
Let's go.
Yeah. 3 pant sizes, and she was pleasantly surprised. They did all of my labs because she was concerned when I told her I was doing this program about triglycerides and my A1C and everything else. And my A1C is down from 6.4, which was like full-blown pre-diabetic, down to 5. And my triglycerides are fine. Everything's fine.
I love it. I love when doctors are like, I don't like what you're doing. All right, well, here's the proof in the pudding. Here goes your 9 years of going to school. Everything you've been taught was wrong.
Yeah.
I love it. That's awesome.
Yeah, she was the one who had me on 1,100 calories a day, just eating, same thing, like just well-balanced, eat fruits and eat carbs and eat meat and just do the, food pyramid plate thing. And then religiously for months and months and wasn't losing anything. I don't have PCOS, but I have Hashimoto's and I have endometriosis, so hormone stuff. And she's like, you just must be eating more than I'm telling you to eat. I'm like, bitch, I am not. I am tracking everything and I'm not losing anything. Now I'm eating 2,000 calories a day. I feel better than I've ever felt, and I'm losing weight, and not even weight so much, but like the inches. My clothes fit better, my skin's better, my hair's better. It's crazy.
I love it. This is what makes my day. This is why I freaking do this. I love it. Like, you literally went from 11 to 2,000 calories. You weren't getting results doing 11. And every single time trainers, doctors are like, oh, you're not getting results? You're lying to me. People aren't lying about what they're doing when they're desperately trying to lose weight.
Yeah.
I freaking love it. You made my freaking day with this call. You made my week.
Good. Oh, good. Yeah, she was dumbfounded. I gave her your, I was like, it's Coach Tyler Fullerton. Social media. You should tell your friends. I'm like, stop pushing like Wegovy and Saxenda. I'm like, they just need to watch Tyler's live. She's like, yeah, okay. I'm like, seriously, like the proof is in me. Like, come on. She didn't appreciate that very much. But
oh, of course not. Are you kidding me? Entitled doctors are so entitled to their title.
Mm-hmm. She's like, here's the medication. I'm like, I don't want to take a pill. Like, I'm 33. I do not need to be taking a pill. Like, so yeah. So thank you.
Oh my God. No, thank you for buying in and just saying, what the hell? Why not try this? What I've been doing isn't working. And that's what I always try to plead to everybody. I'm like, look, what you're doing is not working. You have nothing to lose. Yeah. Increasing calories by 1,000, eating real food, and you're down, you said 29 pounds?
24 as of today.
I freaking love it. I love it. So let me ask you, what did you have? I love this question. What made you be like, all right, I'm going to try this?
Honestly, our personalities are pretty similar, I would say. And I really respond better to, like, what do you have to lose? Like, just freaking do it. If it doesn't work, whatever. So it's kind of just like your no BS, like, attitude, I would say, that just resonated with me. So I watched your lives, and I was talking to my husband, and I'm like, I'm just going to do it. Fuck it. Like, it can't get any worse than it is right now. And I've done keto. I've done all the other ones. They're just so it's like, I don't want to have to track my sats and my this and my that. And, like, my favorite thing you say is deep throating butter. Because literally when I was on keto, it was like, okay, well, fuck it, add more butter to it because I don't have enough fat today. And it just didn't feel right to do that. Although I got decent results on keto, but then you gain it all back because it's just not, manageable. So this has been easy for us because we already weren't really eating carbs. And now it's just the tracking of the calories that's really made the difference, and eating enough. So, and I did really struggle with that, eating as much food as I need to eat to get the calories in, just because I've been so, trained to not eat very much food. And luckily True Meal helped with that, because at least, for breakfast, I just have True Meal. But now that I'm down to 1 True Meal a day. I was having to do 2 before, but I feel like my, disordered eating is getting a lot better, too, because it is just food. I mean, it's fueled the, eat to live, not live to eat type of thing.
I love it. So what did you do? What did you do when you were having a hard time getting in your calories? Other than True Meal, what did you do to help? And then now you're only down to 1 True Meal a day. I love it.
Yeah, well, I had to because you were out for so long, and I literally had like anxiety about it. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna run out, and then I'm gonna have to eat. Like, this is not good. I have to figure this out. I switched from chicken breast to chicken thighs, and then we did like the 80-20 ground beef instead of the 93-7. So just little things like that where I didn't necessarily, like, I could eat less and get more calories. So
Exactly.
More calorie dense meat.
100%. I freaking love it. Did you, and it's been what, 2 months or 3?
2.
2 months. So in the 2 months, where did you, obviously we've had holidays in the 2 months. What did you do during the holidays, or when you felt like having things, like what did you do that helped you so much to stay on track?
I don't really. So there was one, I cheated once when we were on vacation. We were on the coast and I wanted clam chowder. And then I just felt like shit afterwards. So it just wasn't like worth it to me after that. And that was pretty early in. That was probably only like 2 weeks in. And I was like, oh, I just feel like garbage. I got a migraine the next day and I was just like, I'm done. So, and luckily with all of our like family events, my family, they're very like supportive of everything. So they always have like meats and cheese and veggies, and there's not really, there's temptation, obviously, but I don't know, I'm just like done. I just want to be healthy, and I like the way I feel eating this way. So I think I just reached that point where I'm like, I just, want to feel good. So
I freaking love this. I'm so happy you called me. I want one call a day of someone's amazing results and stuff like that. But I freaking love it. And let me ask you, so you think you could do this for the rest of your life? Because people say it's not sustainable to eat healthy for the rest of your life.
No, I think I could. I think part of it too for me is that I cook. I've always cooked. I have chronic migraines, and I'm allergic to like a lot of preservatives, and so I cook every night. So for me, it's easier, I would say. Although I have an air fryer now too, which makes it so easy. Like last night, I didn't want to go home and cook. I just wanted to go pick something up, which isn't really that easy. I mean, it is, but not. So I just threw broth in the air fryer and broccoli in the air fryer. And then my husband and my son do eat carbs still, but they don't have like weight issues or anything. So I cooked brown rice for them, and they, it was fine. But yeah, this is definitely sustainable, I would say.
I love it. Keep doing what you're doing. I can't wait to hear back from you in the next couple months. And you took before and after photos, right?
I did, although my 1 month progress pictures and my 2 months, I'm in a really bad endo flare, so I'm super bloated all the time. So I'm hoping that that'll go away next time I take pictures, because it doesn't look as, I feel it though. I'm down, my pants are all way too big. I've had to go down 3 sizes in my pants. So I know it's working, even if the pictures don't look like amazing, but yes, I do have pictures.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Well, thank you.
No.
I appreciate you.
Hey, I appreciate you continuing to do it day in, day out, with all the naysayers out there. Even in your head, you're like, what the hell? Eating 1,200 calories, you're going to tell me 2,000 is going to make me lose body fat? This makes no sense.
Mm-hmm. And until it did. And then I'm like, okay, he is right.
I love when people go into like, I'm going to prove this dude wrong. And they're like, oh shit, I feel amazing. My A1C is going down. My blood sugars aren't skyrocketing. I'm getting off insulin. I'm losing inches. What the hell?
Yeah, no, it's been great. It's been the best thing.
Well, I appreciate you calling me. Like I said, you made my week with this one. So I can't thank you enough. Keep doing what you're doing, and people listening to this are going to be like, oh, maybe I should finally start.
Yes, they should. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, you as well. Have an amazing week.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
What can I say, guys? It's that simple. I'm going to post that